Yeah, so this is Cool Trains in Montreal here at CAD Rail, May 13th, 2021, around 4 o'clock. And so this is a third video I'm making. And on the end of the spur here, I have this Canadian Pacific. It looks like a GP38 or GP38 or SD40-2. I'm not sure really, I'll have to check. And here you can see the number. 5901. Yeah, it's an SD40-2, and I saw that locomotive coming into Lachine the other day. The other day being a couple of weeks ago, actually. So that's where that ended up. And here I have another SD40-2, I think. Let me check the number on this. 5965. So yeah, this one is in the interesting, very old 90s Canadian and American flag scheme that CP Rail system used just after the merger with Soo Line. So this locomotive was painted probably around 1996, and that paint scheme that goes back to that far. So that's a really old one. It's not as old as the other SD40-2 that's over there. That's still in the orange CP Rail scheme. And here I have a few box cars. This is normal stuff that they put in here. They do mostly rail cars, so you have box cars here, a tank car, more box cars. Yeah, so if you check out some of the other videos I have at CAD Rail recently, you'll see the CMQ locomotive is here, the SD40-2F. A lot of other CP locomotives, and even a C44-9W from CN is here, so I did get a bit of a view of that. Yeah, so unfortunately not much else is doing here. They moved the locomotives that I was wanting to show everybody back up the ramp, so I did get a good video of them at least. But this is, before I go, I wanted also to document these two locomotives are here. Don't know how long they're going to be here, and don't know if they're going to retire these locomotives or actually fix them. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.